Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you one of the iPhone hidden features and it's the back tap. So first open the settings, then go into the accessibility, scroll down to touch, it is in here, and all the way down to back tap. Now select it. And here we have double tap and triple tap. When we click the double tap, we can just select something like app switcher. And for triple tap, I'll do the lock screen. So now I have the iPhone logo in here. And when I triple tap it, we have screen locked. When I double tap it, we need to first, and double tap it. It should switch the app, but yeah, it does. So that's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.